second day at Redmark, and he's Kuzak. Kuzak, say good morning.
Hi.
Kuya TJ is outside, so we're gonna go outside. He's fishing.
What are you on?
Vlogging.
Huh?
Vlogging.
Vlogging what?
Me. Here's my dad. Yep.
Where's Yanni?
It's Kuya
Oh, Yanni.
TJ.
I'm sitting.
Kuya TJ, say good morning.
Morning.
Okay, and we are gonna go to the shops, but my mum's not coming because we are doing something for her birthday, so we're getting her something, and let's just go down here, show you.
Where's the bin there? Oh, there's one just there. Over there.
That's the fish, wait, see. The fish. He's taking it to the bins. Let's just go back inside. Really nice today. And we are about to leave, but I'm gonna vlog on my dad's phone because I can't bring this because I might lose it. So that's what we're doing today. So that's what we're gonna do today. So yep, peace.
Good morning. Time is 9:52 na. Umalis yung aking mag-aama kanina pa. Magluto ako ng breakfast. Sila lang ang umalis. Hindi nila ako sinama. Magluto akong breakfast. Habang wala sila. Mag egg and bacon tayo. So ito yung second day natin dito sa Landmark. Magluto tayong bacon and eggs. Gamitin ko yung ano nila. Eto. Dito. Kasi ang hirap dun sa kawaling yun. Ito natin siya. Lutuin. So, late breakfast tayo. Ano kayo ilagay? Dito kayo ilagay. Saan ko kayo pa? Dito. Hindi kayo dito. Okay, dyan kayo. Ay, parang ang taas niya. So, dito natin lulutuin. Hanap lang tayo ng saksakan. Abot ba? Hindi, maliit lang ang ating cord. Ano ba yan? Dito na lang. So, hindi nila ako sinama. Sila lang talagang mag-aama. Saan na dito ilalagay? Dito, hindi. Hindi ang cord. Dito na lang. Yes, kasha. Abot. Hindi na ako pwedeng sumama. Lakad lang daw nila yun. Mag-aama. Ang tahimik pa ng Landmark. Wala pang mga nag-jet ski, nag-speedboat. Wala pa. So, isang ano lang. Isang salang lang. Bacon, eggs. Ang puro ng kutsilyo as in. Hindi ito makaano. Hindi makahiwa lang. May ano pa naman ako dyan. May pork belly. So, gamitin ko yung maliit na ano. Maliit na kutsilyo. Put away ko lang yung aking mga hinugasan kahapon, yung ginamit namin. Habang hinihintay natin yun. Para walang kalat dito. May mga nagbabay, pero yung weaver, tahimik pa. And try ko mag-edit din habang wala pa sila. Ako ko magluto para hindi sayang ang oras natin. Ito yung matalim na kutsilyo, yung maliit. Buti na lang meron silang maliit. Luto na yung ating bacon and eggs. Hinihintay ko na lang sila. Dito na sila. What's that?
It's just a pan.
Ay, bumili ng pan si Johnny Boy. Ano ba yan si John? Siya na
But
talagang...
you said the pan was too sticky pala.
Yeah, I know.
Mom,
No,
here,
I went on this Filipino's live and they're like, hi Zaki.
As Filipino.
because I watched our videos.
Ah,
Mum, I got a new phone.
you got a new
Because
phone?
my other one broke.
You got a new phone?
Yeah.
Sila na talaga. Birthday mo ya? Ikaw ang binila ng phone?
No, that's the same one.
Sana all.
Holy! Oh, you
It's the
had to
same
ruin
one.
it. Holy.
Joke lang pala. Case lang palang binili sa kanya. You got a new bag.
Yeah.
Holy,
My birthday.
holy,
It's your birthday.
Oh.
Dito na sila. Ayan, kumakain na sila ng breakfast.
I'm not allowed.
Si Kuya magluluto ng mee goreng. Ano na to? Brunch na to, guys.
Yes! Spice.
And si Jam bumili ng bag. Kasi may binili siya, hindi niya mahanap. Hindi ko rin mahanap kung saan ko nilagay. So, bumili siya nito. Kain tayo. May 2 eggs ako at saka bacon.
That's not fun.
Ha? What's that, ba?
Reckon that's not fun.
I hope so. Well, depends. What kind of guns gonna come from?
It looks a lot bigger now.
That's nice bacon, bro.
Wow. I love it.
Nice bacon. Doon yung kanyang brand.
Oh, this is the much bacon on it.
Masarap to, may rice. Wala kaming rice cooker.
I've already had bacon in it, so back right.
Si Kuya, how's your mee goreng?
Boiling.
It's still boiling.
Oh.
No, baby. Ask Daddy.
Channel. Channel.
Oh, it's P. The P button. Pluses go up, pluses go down. Plus up, negative down.
Oh, TJ, can I just put my stuff in that I want?
Sarap. Ang sarap din nitong
No, you get your.
what do you call daan? Nujura. Nujura.
Orange and mango.
Orange and mango. The best.
Oh, you
Makes
get a
good
bowl.
The best.
The noodles won't fall through that, will it?
What's that, boys?
No,
Where's the water gonna go?
just short.
At the bottom.
Old Stephen nodded to
Out
the
the
dark
bottom.
clouds
Of
spreading
where?
in the sea.
In the sink.
That's right.
Can't do everything.
What? You do everything. Hoy. Thank you.
You want to put your arms up?
So warm, Rosie's kids think that it's outside. To
So
maybe
yung binili, akala ko, sabi ni Kuya sa binilan siya ng bagong phone, hindi pala, bagong
Oh,
case.
get another packet then.
Tapos sabi ni Kuya, ni-rip off daw ni daddy niya yung nagbebenta. Kasi instead of 55, 50 na lang daw yung nagtawa daw si Jan, 50 with screen protector. Show me your phone, ya.
Brand new.
Brand new, di ba? Ini-insist talaga nilang brand new. It's not brand new. Ayan.
Wednesday came.
It's just this phone case.
Phone case and
Friend
screen
You
protector.
like mine better though, Mum?
Siya naman. Ha?
Swimming in the
Yours? Yeah, both of you.
Holly wants some as well. Might as well make it a packet. Okay.
Kaya ko ng toast natin.
We're not gonna have this
You
hard
chicken the
stuff.
water out now?
Yeah. So I mean, Zach, hold that
Just
one.
hurry up. Is that hot?
By Thursday
The
night,
water is.
Ang linis ng kusina ko. Pagdating nila ngayon, parang ano, may nagwala.
Oh, I'm gonna
No, I'm gonna use it.
Ang sarap.
Oh, I'm really.
Is it busy now there, huh? At the pool?
It's really not
Oh.
much. Here,
Pool? No, not yet.
No, that'll go there around 4 o'clock.
4 o'clock. What they're doing now? It's so quiet.
Are you having something on it?
Yeah.
Oh, this?
Thousands of South Australians.
Oh, this one, yeah.
So whether you're starting out or starting over,
Oh, look at that.
This is all I want. Honey?
Did you put stuff in it?
No, we're gonna do that now. Oh, I get these and this one.
And I get these.
We need to scissors.
What, do you want more?
Nah, I'm done.
Do we have scissors here?
I'm gonna go
How's
sit
my
down.
toast, son?
So,
Mom, do we have scissors?
No, we don't.
Guys, this is welcome to
No, there's none, diba?
what are they in there?
What?
I don't know.
Yeah.
No,
The
isn't there?
scissors are here, I swear.
No,
No, there's none because I was looking yesterday.
Zach, go pack it up. Holly.
There's none, Zach.
Guys, this
Careful,
is
that's very sharp.
Zach, Holly, go grab a packet out for you then.
This is kids movie. It's the only kids movie I've watched.
Holly, grab a packet out for you in
what are you
the...
doing? Which one?
All of them.
Oh, but I don't want that much. Where put it in?
You want all that?
Yep. Excuse me, Dada.
Tagal ng toast ko. Get my phone, hon.
Here, I'll do
Down.
Oh, turn it down, Holly.
Oh no, zero now.
What's this stuff?
No. You do it what's hot?
Ah, thank you.
What's this stuff?
Tapos ng lahat. Si Holly kumakain pa ng mee goreng.
Yeah.
And eto yung kalat.
Full, Mom.
You're full? Okay, tingnan niya. Diba? Ang linis nito bago sila dumating. Tiyanan! Yun lang yung kalat ko. So, syempre, ano pang gagawin natin? Maghuhugas. Si Sak punta somewhere. Nag-scooter si Sak.
It's my scooter.
Wala yung scooter ni Holly. Si Kuya, ayan, nire-ready niya na naman yung kanyang fishing rod. Kasi hindi siya Did you catch fish, Kuya?
Yes, they did.
Where is it?
In the bin?
Did you take a photo? Why in the bin? It's dead?
No, you have to put. You're not allowed to put it back in.
Why? Who said?
The person.
The person? Linagay daw sa bin. Did Kuya TJ take a photo?
No,
No.
I would have,
Yeah.
but Dad didn't let me borrow his phone.
Oh. Ayan yung current situation ngayong araw.
It's in the car, but not.
Ganito yung situation ngayon.
I got worms.
Kasi
He
wala.
got tiger worms for his bait.
What? Tiger worms.
For his bait.
Ew, are you gonna hold that, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, ikaw pa, you? Seriously?
Yeah, me.
Ayan yung worm. Akala ko nito.
It's alive, Mom.
I know, I can see it. Yeah, good luck.
I know, right? Good luck.
And yung situation dito ngayon ganyan, ang tahimik kasi nasa cabin pa sila. Yeah, later.
Yeah, later. When we came in and there was not that much people.
Oh yeah?
Probably
Oh,
like
because it's still
5 or
hot.
6 people.
Yeah. Later it will plenty.
Pat.
Kuya, that will be hot. That table there. Yeah. Now? All right. Magugas na ako doon.
Take the worms out.
Okay. Tingnan na. No, I'm just kidding. Why? No, the worm first. One what? One corn, one worm. Sige nga. Oh, it's hot. Baba, can you get your hat? I have a hat.
Can you get mine as well?
Please, hat. Kuya, Holly, get a hat.
Where's our hat? Mom, where's our hat?
In my bag?
Big bag?
Yes.
The big spoon?
Oh, see?
There's one there. It jump scared me.
Ah,
Oh, bro.
put sunscreen, Kuya.
Where's your hat?
Okay,
Oh, I don't know, somewhere.
go. Touch it. Come on, hurry up, Kuya. It's hot.
I know, I can barely see.
Okay, how did you get it?
Stop. I can't say anything.
Yeah.
What? I can't say anything.
You have something here? Yeah.
Alright.
Go. Wow, brave Kuya.
Yeah, it feels so weird.
Ah.
But it's so hard. It's so hard.
Ako hindi ko yun mahawakan.
It's a circle walk. What the hell?
Come on. Tagal naman ni Kuya. Kuya, call Daddy.
No, Dad won't do it.
Daddy don't want to touch it. Who are their friends?
No, every time I try to put it on.
Come on, of course it's a worm, Kuya. It's gonna move. 4 minutes na to, Kuya.
You
Hold both ends and then do this.
I can't do that.
just stab it in there.
That's right. Stop.
What do you think I'm trying to do?
Just go like.
Okay.
Finally!
Ay, ang init. Good luck.
Mom, can you find out?
Tapos na tayo maghugas. Na-reset na natin ulit yung ating kusina. Malinis na ulit. And sila,
Did I got too much sunscreen?
naglalagay ng sunscreen. The back of your neck, your face, your ears. Tapos ako mag-i-edit ako. Kuya! Where are you? Si Kuya naka-ano siya? Naka-rashi. Binilan siya ng daddy niyang rashi. Sabi ni Jam blue daw. Pero para sa akin purple siya. Anong kulay yan, guys? Sabi ni Jam blue. For me, it's
Comment
purple.
down below if it's blue or purple.
What do you think, Holly?
Dark blue.
It looks purple.
Yeah, it looks purple.
Get out in the sun with blue.
And guys, I got at the Rip Curl shop, I got the sunscreen lip balm. It says
Oh,
Salubong.
nag-shopping pala. Yun nga, nag-shopping sila. Ang aga nila umalis. And, meron si Jana. Wait lang. Naka-charge kasi kayo.
Zach, let's go.
Binilan tayo ni Jana ng
Pen, because the pen, all the food she puts on there, it sticks.
stick. So, binilan tayo ni Jana ng stick. Sabi ko,
They got it from
sabi
BCS.
ko, bakit ka naman niya BCF pa?
Sunscreen bar.
BCF niya pa to binili. Good, ano din yan, good shop. How much you got this one?
60 or 40? 60.
Oh my God, 6.
Two?
Yeah.
Two rippers.
$60 daw to. Kasi kahapon, di ba?
Dad, as soon as I
Nagreklamo
a bird
ako.
jumped at me.
Nagreklamo ako na ang pan dito ay hindi
Didn't it,
non-stick.
Mum?
Ha?
The worm jumped at me when
Yeah.
I opened it.
Yeah, it went out.
But jump scared.
No, they crap. Oh my god.
Kaya talaga may bagong pan. Oh, it's big
Happy
too.
birthday.
Happy birthday. Ito pa ang regalo niya sa akin. Thank you. Oh, ang regalo ni John. And detachable.
Oh, so there's one hand with it.
Yeah, because you can just remove it. Lock and lock. Open.
Now just go.
Oh, yeah. Ay, cute.
And non-stick too.
Non-stick.
where's TJ's clothes?
What clothes? I don't know.
What's on stick?
So this is a watermelon flavour.
No, TJ, where's your
Tomato
clothes? Where's TJ's
sunscreen.
clothes?
At the top. that is
Sunscreen
left
lip
there.
balm. And it smells really good. I wish you can smell it.
Oh,
Doesn't
right.
it smell good, Mom?
What's that?
Mum, this one's mine too.
Oh, you got two.
Yeah, I got
Mom,
No! They're mine! Do you like grey or this one?
So look. Patingin. Ganda. I like it. Kulduroy.
Corduroy. Corduroy.
Kulduroy. Si Sak meron din.
They're mine, not they're mine.
Ah, what's this one?
What's on the back of it?
Which one's better?
Which one is better? Both. I like both.
Oh, brown looks better to me.
Itong
mine.
dalawa. Nice.
Brown. I could have got blue. Should have got blue.
No, I like this because you can
Blue looks good.
you can
Why are they
partner
both
to
the
any
same
colors.
size?
Because you're own grown up boys. You don't need to get
You should've
smaller
got
size.
16 then, buddy. I was not 16.
Don't blame me.
Sa Rip Curl nila yun nabili.
Don't let us-
Mas mahal pang damit nila kaysa akin.
I think I told you.
Add it.
That's in the toilet.
Huwag ko tong itapon na box kasi. Pwede natin tong ilagay.
I'm gonna put sunscreen on Dad
When?
now.
Where?
On his face.
May pagka-hip-hop daw si Sak. Alis na sila. Hindi ako sasama kasi ang init-init doon. Mag-edit na lang tayo. Mamaya, ang aga pa kasi, 12:59. Mamayang hapon sana. Para hindi na ganun kataas ang init.
Are you coming?
I'm not coming, Baba. It's too hot. It's 12:59. 1 o'clock. Sak, see you.
Cold in here yet?
Makaka-copyright, hindi malamig yung
I
aircon.
don't have
What was that on, Zach, when you came here yesterday?
22.
Yeah, well,
Nice.
22.
might just need to be on.
Yeah.
Bye, Mom.
Bye. See you. Love you. Be careful. And look your hat, please. Nawawala yung hat niyang isa. Look for your hat. Dala niya yun eh. Pero, tingnan pa rin doon. Buti may dala akong isa. Yung kay Kuya yan, sa Bali yan nabili. Dito na sila. Oops, nag-edit pa din ako. Where's your towel? 2:48 na. 2:48. Where's your towel? Sak.
Wait, give me a bottle of water. I'm going fishing. If I get hot, I'm just going to jump in the river.
Alright.
I just need to put a bit of water in my corn.
Okay. Where's Ollie and Daddy? It's so hot. Pero tapos mag-edit kasi medyo mahaba-haba siguro tong vlog natin. Yeah, wait. Dito na sila. Na-stress ako. Nawala yung aking mga inedit na clips. Ayan, naging pula siya. Hindi ko siya ma-save. Tapos may lumabas ditong apostrophe red na something error. Patapos na ako sa kasi nagganon. Ayan na sana. Ilang oras ako nag-edit tapos wala. Ay, ganun ulitin ko siya. Naiinis ako. Isa, umalis pala sila. May pinuntahan sila tapos isa pagbalik may takis na siyang dala. Si Kuya nagfi-fishing doon. Si Kuya na talaga ang fisherman doon. Dito na pala kami sa car kasi Where's Daddy? What time is it?
Dad, come on.
It's 7:10 now, huh?
It won't really matter. It won't
First time namin
It's not
hintayin si Jan. So dito tayo sa kanya kasi magdi-dinner tayo. Ang gulo, diba?
Okay, he's coming.
Wow, babe, you're late. It's 7:10 already, huh?
Dad, they stop
Eh?
serving at 7:30.
8.
8. Ah, okay. So we're good.
No, that's the wrong time.
What?
That's the
Hindi
wrong
natin nakikita si Johnny, boy.
TJ, any cars? Anyone
Hey,
coming?
cars.
No.
Adjust ko nga to.
Jump in.
Where's the screen, Mom?
What the screen?
Like the screen for the
Nice.
camera. On the screen.
Ah, this, no, the lens.
Oh, lens.
Oh, where's the lens? It's not here. Wala, I lost the lens? Oh my God. Wala, nawala natin yung lens. Hindi ko na alam kung nasan yung lens. Nawala ko na yung lens ng camera.
Why aren't you freaked out?
Ah, I don't know. Hindi ko mahanap yung lens na pang paway.
Did you find
No, I didn't, Baba.
What lens?
For the camera.
What lens?
The little
Thanks, Zach.
lens.
Yeah, I get my phone back.
Yung phone ni Sak wala sa kanya.
It's at the end of the road.
So, magdi-dinner tayo sa Renmark. What do you call that, Han? Renmark
Ow.
Pub
Club.
Club. And sila Mers darating today. So, doon, di ba, nawala yung camera? Saan yung camera? Hello?
Jeez, that'd be hot in there, man. That
Well,
would be just
Daw, yeah, it's so hot. Kasi may mga naka-camp lang. Tent lang, so mainit siya. Ang yan na talaga nito, guys. Maganda sa may lens na. Wala ko talaga yung lens. Ako na talaga nakawala ng lens. Where was that yesterday, Baba? Hindi
Did
ko
you bring
na.
it inside?
No. So, nawawala ko. So, yun nga. Si Mers darating ngayon. Tapos si Race, dapat
Yeah.
bukas pa sila darating. Pero na-adjust ni Dan yung appointment niyang mas maaga. Kaya ngayon na lang sila dinaalis. So kanina umalis sila. So baka magkita-kita kami doon sa Renmark Club. Doon kami magdi-dinner. And yun na nga yung ini-edit ko, guys. Natapos ko na yung isa. Dalawa sana na-edit natin today. Kaso nga, pinakita ko sa
Now,
inyo.
tomorrow night, boys, we're going
Meron.
No, we're going to go for tea.
Mayroong
This
nangyari
is when
doon
you
sa...
swim this time of night. It's wicked.
Merong nangyari dun
No,
sa aking
this is-
ine-edit na wala lahat. My God. Papunta na ako dun sa outro ko. Wala na. Wala
Well, we
na.
have
Hindi
the
ko na
Barbie
nung
there.
nire-review ko na
Yeah,
siya,
I have one Saturday night.
black siya. So, nainis talaga ako. Pero at least ayun. Na-edit ko ulit. Nag-edit, nag-ulit
Well,
tayo.
there, Barbie.
Sana dalawa. Sana yung na-edit natin today.
It'd be so good to have red
But
light.
okay lang at kasi meron tayong vlog mamaya. Kaya hindi ko dinala yung phone ko kasi uploading siya. So dala ko yung gold
House?
phone.
Dad, house?
Ngayon, naiinis ako kasi nawala yung lens. Saan ko? What?
Back.
Black phone? No. Nasa bahay lang yun. Sa bahay lang yan. So, see you sa, ano guys, dun sa
I guess I'm coming up.
Renmark Club. Masa na yung lens?
No. Wait.
May nabibila bang lens na para dito? Sana nandun lang siya pero wala. Wala yun doon. Saan ko naman yun ilalagay? Sana nandun siya sa maliit na pouch. Yun na lang ang pag-asa ko. Sana nandun sa maliit na pouch. Kasi doon ko siya nilalagay. Kasi pag nandito yung magnet, hindi siya kasya doon sa sarili niyang case. Bakit nagaganito ang lens natin? Ang gimbal. Yun, and si Jan kinuha yung phone ni Zach. Kasi lagi niyang inaasar si Holly. Right, Holly? Zach's always tease
He's
you.
on his phone every single
Holly, you'll
time.
be worse.
My one.
Yes, you will.
Yes,
Remember,
you
you used to
So kinuha ni Jan.
You wouldn't get off.
Si Kuya, nag-fish lang si Kuya nag-fish. Hindi mo siya makikita
Yeah,
nasa
see me
phone.
on an all day, Zach. I haven't been on an all day, really.
That's right. Kuya is
That
really...
should be.
Yeah, Kuya is
Don't
really...
need it.
Somehow
right.
I still spend 10 hours on it.
Kasi si Zach,
At
siyempre
night.
naninibago siya.
If I barely on it.
Ngayon, gusto niya kunin yung phone kasi gusto niya mag-film ng sunset.
And lawn bowls.
Sunset. So, how about your sunset tonight, Zach?
Oh no, I'm getting it back tonight.
He said he can't video Dong anymore.
Yeah, and then parating si Dong, hindi niya mafi-film si Dong. Malapit lang to.
Tomorrow.
Yeah, they were.
They were, but I told Raz to come along.
Yeah, si John kasi sabi ni John, why don't you come? Kasi tumawag sila. So why don't you just leave today after Dan's appointment?
Could change to, I think.
Huh? Yeah, he changed the appointment.
When?
Early appointment instead
Yeah,
of 4:30. Dapat today. 4:30 dapat yata ang appointment ni
Will I be
Dan sa last
Will I be
client
here?
niya. Tapos
Nah.
pinamove
It
niya
wouldn't be far
ata.
away though, but we've got to get in and
Yeah.
just take some
We're
pictures.
gonna send the menu so they can order. Kasi 8 o'clock daw
As long
magsasara
as we
yung...
order before 8 o'clock,
Yeah, before 8
can't be
o'clock.
after 8 or you won't
Yeah.
get nothing.
That's right. So, kailangan mag-order kami. Ay, that one, Han.
That's the next one.
That's the next
Tomorrow
one.
night.
Tomorrow night. Tomorrow is my birthday.
Yes.
Happy birthday to
That's
me.
good in there now.
Yeah. Look at my holly, girl. What?
Why
Look
don't-
at Look at her. Look at
My
Holly.
makeup's in here. My blush.
May blush on siya.
Highlighter.
Highlighter. Let me see. Let me. Wow.
Lip balm.
Lip balm. Okay. Andito na sila, oh.
Wala pa sila naman.
Wala pa. Kasi si Jamaica chika doon na neighbor.
Alam mo naman to, akala niyo racer siya minsan.
Dan, I think you've been overspeeding. Hi.
How are you?
Good. Hi, do you lo. Johnny boy. Oh, nalungkot siya kasi si Ay lang nauna. Nakagising lang. Hi, hi. Love you. Sis, ang init. Oh my God. Wow! Oh my gosh, grabe. Kaya nga, watch out. Ate, come here, ate. Hoy, paano naman yung isa? Yung isa.
You made it.
Oh, wow, what happened there?
Feel like it's like-
Right, so you want to see it, you can put us straight into this.
You hungry?
Go!
Hot, isn't it?
Nandito na ako sila, Mers. Parang nawala ko yung lens. Parang nawala ko yung lens.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Si Kuya, ano lang, fisherman to si Kuya.
Go.
Hi! Sook! Hi, Zook!
Don't shoot me.
Oh, don't shoot me.
She's holding me tight.
Ayan, na-recording na yun.
Thank you. Yes! Thank you.
Oh my God, yes, it's a salad here.
Uy, mapulutan natin ito mamaya.
Alam, dami natin pagkain.
Akala ko, ano lang.
Ang tray to guys, pero ang dami.
Yeah.
Waffle maple syrup, chicken in the middle.
Yes. What is bacon? And bacon.
Ayan, it's a salad guys.
Different.
Ano yung in-order mo? Waffle?
Waffle, chicken waffle.
Oh, look at that. Dami natin foods. Kain.
Yeah. Kuha ka dito. Oy, kuha ka ng chicken. Kuha ka ng chicken and chicken.
Babe, salad babe.
Si Mers parang pang pamilyang salad.
Ganyan talaga yung pizza ko.
Oh, si Kuya kumuha ng pasta.
Oh, thank you.
Pesto.
Or kumuha na kayo ng hair Patrick?
Sige na, bacon ka na.
Wala din asin. Asin saan?
Linagay niya maasin yung kanta.
Nag-anuan. Sulpan yan.
Oh, look, si dinosaur.
Yes,
Nagagalit ang dinosaur namin. Kainin ka na. Gusto mo ito?
Did.
I couldn't.
Dad, you can have some.
Oh, you want this? I can give you this. Where's your plate? Oh, you can have that.
Oh, yeah, the tomato sauce is there.
Order please.
Ate.
Chicken bao ba?
Hello, baby.
Chicken waffles. Juice con.
Mommy,
Gusto yata yung chicken
Yeah, I'll just cut your chicken.
hey, son.
Tulungan mo ako dito, ha? Ako mong sipon yun. Sabi niya, Manay, naalala mo yung chicken waffles? Ako, yan yun. Hindi ko alam sino kalaki ang chicken waffles.
Too big.
Soup right there.
Daddy,
Happy birthday, blow the candle. Oh, give me ding-ding. Lutan nga nga. Uy, in first, masarap yung ano po. Oh, chicken nag-ano kasi sa kanya po.
See how it goes.
Pero maliit yung kanya.
I don't know.
ano pang cutlery, Day? Nagpunta mo yung hard. Anong gusto mo? Cutlery?
Si Johnny, di ko ayun, ano sa kanya? Chicken schnitzel. Ano, beef pala, sorry. Ang laki. As in, malaki pa sa plate. Kulang ang dami. Ang daming gusto.
May ayaw yung sa salad.
Uy, wala na kami. Tingnan mo, ang happy. Hindi ako na pa, oh. Wala ka dito. Ano? Baka kulang ang salad ng marshmallow. Baka hindi mo ubus yung rice. Oy, Mars,
Yan pa, tinanong mo yan?
Oy, di Harley. Hindi. Mars, baka kulang ang green.
Saktong-sakto na ako.
Gorgeous.
Ay, ang gabait naman talaga ni Super. Busog na siya. Friends, masarap tong ano.
Pork? Ay, alata.
Ali, I've got some
Wait
here.
naman
Di ba chips? Bigyan mo ng chips.
What?
Bigyan mo ng chips. Kaya ba? Asan ang plato na ba? Yeah, Rice gonna give her some chips.
I'll give her chips, Ben.
Are you okay? Yeah.
We'll just put those on here, my love, and just give them away.
I hardly got any
Yeah,
chips.
ibigay mo ng chips.
Should drink that chips anyway.
No, that's okay. Because it's messy.
Okay.
Forget it's messy. Here you go, Bob. Ayun na, tita will give you some.
Thank you. Very kind. Are you not sure?
Chips eh.
Naman, I said the pork belly is really good. I tried the chicken now.
Sure. How's it? Ang good kasi ang bilis ng serving nila, no?
No,
Ito na yung mga kids.
First, masarap ang ano nila. Hindi pa lagi sa nila. Hindi masarap.
Iba din yung menu nila.
Di ba? Iba na. Baka iba na. Kasi nagkarani pa na sila eh.
Oh, yeah? Parang may event nga sa doon sa kabila.
There you go.
Ay, ang dami
That
kami.
rubber's inching now, Dan.
Ngayon nagsidasing
No, I
yung
think
mga
it's
tao.
only
Wala
right
kami
over here.
katabi ngayon. Marami nang tayong katabi.
Okay.
One was one on Tuesday.
Yeah.
Venture along.
Parang tayo nag-breakfast dito sa ano, Dennis.
Holly, you want ice cream?
Nakakaumay ng tingnan niya.
Ayun, ang laki.
Ang laki-laki. Parang main trend siya on trade.
Ayun na.
Fair play, it's a pack suicide, isn't it? Hey? If it's not foul play, then it's suicide. That was.
Fairness, masarap lang ito.
Laki yun.
But she's only 63, she's still had 1 years to live.
Lord, please help.
Why would she agree to that?
Kumain pa kumbus.
Kumain pa akong combo.
You want some rice?
Thank you.
No, thank you. Dong! Tapos na kami kumain. Dong, look at me, Sak! Hello, Dong! Siya na talaga ganyang kay Zaki. Dong, it's so warm.
It's so nice.
Nice, yeah.
What are the mosquitoes like? Yeah, There's plenty of mosquitoes?
We haven't had it yet. Hopefully not. Kahit, ay malamang, mag-iinuman tayo. Buti pa siya, nag-scooter na sila. Pardon? Happy birthday in advance. Ang ganda ng weather. Ang sarap ng hangin. Sobrang busog. Ang daming pagkain. Ang daming na-order ko. Di ko naman naubos. Akala ko kasi, maliliit lang kasi nasa on-tray lang siya. Yung akala ko, mga pika-pika lang. Ang laki pang ano na yun, meal na yun. Yung dalawa kong in-order. So, doon na tayo magkita-kita. Dito na kami. Ngayon na si Dong. Lights, please, and then close the door. Kaya sa mga bata. You want Super Dupa? Yes.
What flavour?
What color? What color? Yeah, yo. Put paper towel. Only the head, huh?
You want some too?
Hello.
What do you get me for? Okay? Yeah.
Dong, who's your best friend? Who's that? Who's that? What's their name? What's their name? Who's your best friend? What's their name? What's their name, Dong? And TJ. Kuya, sa akin, Kuya TJ. Mag-11 na pala, guys. At, yeah, but I think it's almost 11. Mustato kami. May dala si Sisi Reyes na mustato. Yung whispers ko. Is it whispers? Yes. Yeah. Daming memory, ah. Ayun nga,
12 o'clock. Come say happy birthday to Chona.
Happy birthday to Tita Manay. It's Tita Manay's
It's her birthday.
Is it? Yes, it's my birthday.
Happy birthday. Give her a big hug and a big kiss. It's Tita Manay's birthday. Can you give her a hug? Give her a big hug.
Thank you.
It's not your birthday yet.
Ang bango na buhok mo.
Tita Manay's birthday. Say happy birthday, Tita Manay.
Okay, happy birthday, Tita Manay.
Many kisses.
Many kisses.
Alright, boy. It's my birthday too.
Oh, it's not my birthday.
Hey,
Many kisses for Tita Manay.
Many kisses.
Many kisses. My birthday.
Many kisses. On the cheek. And a nose, is that a nose?
Stop it.
Who's a nose?
Say happy birthday.
Thank you. Dami naman kiss. Ayun, regalo mo sa akin. Thank you for my chocolate. Thank you. It's empty.
I know, what do you think, Lisa?
She's looking in this morning.
It's morning. Tomorrow, Papa. Oh, ka-ate.
Gotta go sit with Daddy.
Yak man ito. Wala na. Unlap na. Ano man?
What are you doing?
How old are you?
I'm 43. Mas matanda ko ang pwede. Ilang buwan? 6 months? August? October. 6 months yun. Things change.
Cause I think I do want you next to me.